Some days your Mac feels perfect. Apps open instantly, everything feels smooth. And then another day, it just feels off. Not broken, not crashing, nothing obviously wrong, just different. And the most confusing part is, you didn't change anything. So today, I will explain to you why your Mac feels different day to day, even when nothing is wrong, and how to tell the difference between a normal system behavior and something that really needs attention. No fixes, no panic, just how actually macOS works. Here's the first mindset problem. We expect computers to behave the same way every single day. But macOS does not work like a light switch, on or off. It's a living system. It's constantly balancing apps, memory, background services, power, storage, and system priorities. So when something feels off, our instinct is to assume something must be wrong. But very often, nothing is wrong, just our assumption. Today, the system is operating under different conditions than yesterday. Even if you didn't install anything recently, a lot can change behind the scenes. For example, some days you have more browser tabs open, you have more background apps, you have more cloud data syncing, or more cached system state. Or probability is that you have some external device connected today, maybe a camera or maybe a memory device like an external SSD, while other days you don't. macOS also adjusts behavior based on uptime, memory pressure history, thermal state, battery versus power, and what you have been doing recently. So the system is actually not slower, it's responding differently. That's why, like I always say, restarting Mac often feels powerful. Not because it just fixed something, but because it reset that temporary state. Different day, different state. Here's the key distinction that most people miss. There is a difference between variation and degradation. And here's how you can spot it. Variation, when you notice small changes in responsiveness, timing, and smoothness. Degradation, when system experience persistent slowdowns, hangs, and other repeated issues. Variation comes and goes, but degradation sticks around. If your Mac feels off today and fine tomorrow, that's normal. If it feels off every single day in the same way, that's when it's worth paying attention. The mistake is reacting every off day as if it's a failure. And that's where anxiety comes from. By the way, many users are also commonly mistaken when they blame entire macOS, while the problem persists within just one app. So look closely. A lot of people open Activity Monitor, looking for a relevancy, a confirmation. They see high RAM usage, many background processes, CPU spikes, and they assume, there it is. That's the problem. But let me tell you, macOS is designed to use those available resources. High usage does not automatically mean trouble. What matters is the persistent high memory pressure, not numbers. That's why watching percentages without context creates more confusion than clarity. Instead of asking why my Mac feels off today, ask this yourself: is this temporary or persistent? Temporary is a part of normal system behavior, but persistent is something that's worth investigating. Once you stop expecting macOS to feel identical every single day, you start noticing patterns instead of panicking over those moments. And that alone makes your Mac feel easier to live with. It is important for you to learn as early as possible. Your Mac is not unreliable, it is adaptive. Some days feel lighter, some days feel heavier. And once you understand that difference, you stop chasing fixes for things that were never even broken. And now, if you're ready to go deeper, the next video shows you how to tell when your Mac actually needs attention and when it doesn't. And that's the real skill. Anyways, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe Crazy Errors for future tech tips, tricks, and solutions. Until next time, you take care of yourself, and I will see you in the next one.